What's up, you guys? Being Tech Reviews back in another video. I'm excited in this video because I've collaborated with Tapo and they are sponsoring this video to talk about their brand new vacuum. It's the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni. Now, what is this vacuum exactly? Let me just start by saying, if you are a pet owner, especially with a dog that sheds a lot, this vacuum is going to come in clutch. That constant hassle of a dog shedding on a dark floor, on the carpet, on the hardwood, everywhere, and then making messes here and there. Maybe they're making a mess with their food or having cats and cats tracking their litter on the floor. This vacuum is going to be a game changer for you and me. Now, most robot vacuums, I know it sounds very expensive. When you think robot vacuum, you probably think like futuristic, $900, $800, $1,000 or more. But with Tapo, this robot vacuum features a lot of the features that these more expensive vacuums have, with a bang for your buck at about $500. I know, $499 sounds like a lot. It's a lot to me, but nonetheless, if you look at the competition and what they offer and what the RV50 Pro Omni offers, it's definitely worth considering. So I'm going to show you right now what it looks like together to unbox this thing, what it looks like, the setup, and then let's get the testing going. All right, so this is what it looks like to unbox it. You got the Tapo engraving on here, and right at the lip of it has a quick start guide, and it tells you how to set it up, how to start unboxing, what it comes with. You got a manual, 3L dust bag, detachable base, hard floor cleaning solution, Omni Dock, power cable, robot vacuum cleaner, and mop attachments. So step one is going to install the base, position the dock, remove protective strips, install mop cloth mount, turn on vacuum, charge robot vacuum, install cleaning solution, and then fill in clean water tank. And then down the app for the mapping and the other smart controls that we'll talk about later in the video. Upon unboxing everything, this is everything you get out the box: the vacuum, the launch pad, the 2 mop pads, user manual, the cord, cleaning solution, and of course the base right there. All right, there's a whole YouTube tutorial on how to install this video or install the vacuum and set it up, but since you're watching this video, we're gonna do it together. So pad right here, just firmly slide it in right there. I'm not sure if I'm not supposed to have this on top of a mat and sit on the hardwood floor, but we're gonna test this theory out so maybe you guys can learn it too. All right, that's the first step. Next step is plugging it in. All right, next we're gonna remove the protective strips and plastics from the vacuum. Next, we're gonna install the mop heads. And they're magnetic, it seems, so it just easily attaches on, which is nice. All right, next we're installing the cleaning solution. We're gonna take all the stickers off and be careful not to spill it on yourself, and then we're gonna install it like so, facing this way. Push it all the way in, and then close this. Good seal. Next, we're gonna take the clean water tank and put some water in it, fill it all the way to max. Be sure to identify which is which. The blue water logo is the clean tank and the other one is dirty. All right, next step is to turn on the vacuum by pressing the power button for like 3 seconds. You hear it say starting up. So then you're gonna download the Tapo app and simultaneously press the Tapo logo and this logo at the same time for 5 seconds so it's blinking white. Download the app and it will go into setup mode. So in the app it'll look like this.
Connecting to the network. Please wait.
And you're connecting to the network. Then you can give it a name. After you give it a name, you put its location. In this place, it's gonna be in the living room basically. All right, so now you gotta do a firmware update. You gotta make sure it's docked. All right, and then after that, your firmware is complete and the vacuum will be charging. Let's get to testing. So here you can see that 15,000 PA suction power cleaning up this tremendous amount of cat litter that I set down an example to see how it cleans it up in this clean trail you're going to see right here. And here you're going to see the dual rotating mopping pads in action. You're not going to see the deep edge corner cleaning, but nonetheless, you are going to see the mop do its thing and clean up this spilled orange juice that I put on the floor, so you guys can see how well the mop does cleaning up the mess. Here you can see that deep edge cleaning from the vacuum. Watch how the brushes go to the edge of the staircase and vacuum up that dog hair. So the key component here is the docking station. It's self-cleaning, takes care of itself. Here you can see the clean water and the dirty water. Once the clean water is empty, refill it. Dirty water is full, you empty it out, but that won't be for a while. Here you can see the tank where it has the dust bin collection. Vacuum sucks it all up in the station, docking station, then you're good to go for like another session. You have to empty it out for a while. And here you can see how clean the mop pads are after it's cleaning. So here you can see how the mop pads are detached. Yes, they can detach and remain in the tank while the vacuum goes and vacuums the hardwood floors. Here you can hear the water heating up the mop pads as it washes it with that 140 degrees of water. And here you can hear it hot air drying it and ensuring that the mop pads are dry and not damp as it goes into its next mop job and its next cleaning session. The previous clip, you can see how clean the mop pads are after the fact. And here you get an idea of how loud the vacuum is with background TV noise and the deep edge cleaning in action. So here you can see where the dust and the hair are picked up, and this is pet safe because it's advertised as tangle free brush and hair cutting, and it cuts the hair at the tank and not on the vacuum for your pet's protection. We have carpet cleaning settings. Carpet boost applies to all carpet areas and enable the suctional increase to clean the carpet, which is cool, especially if you have pets, so that we can really dig into the carpet fibers and suck up all those pet hair and debris and all that different little dirt particles that their paws may track. You have floor cleaning solutions, smart remopping, along grain cleaning, which means it mops or cleans along the wooden grain of the wood floors. Different dock settings, different wash modes. You can save water, daily, deep clean, hot water, standard. So many different features that you can do on here. And if you don't want to use the dispenser, you can turn off auto dispensing detergent, so that way you're not using the detergent, just using water. Drying frequency, drying duration. You can point an area on the floor that you want to clean. Maintenance. So let's talk about this for a second while we're in the app talking about it. So you can buy these parts from the app. So when it comes the time to replace parts, because with this robot vacuum, obviously there's going to be parts that need to be replaced eventually with all these filters and all that jazz. So HEPA filter, it tells you how many hours are left before you need to clean it. Main brush, how many hours used before you need to replace it. Sensors, this tells you when you need to clean your sensors. Side brush, main brush cover. So if you ever need to replace your parts, it's all in the app and you can just buy it from there essentially. HomeKit, go to My Vacuum. You can play a sound to locate the vacuum. If you have a huge house and you lost your vacuum, you can do that. I don't have a big home, it's just a little compact tri-level, so I'm gonna know where it's at. You can select where it's at, suggested scenes, blah blah blah, and then when you click on it, you can select mop, vacuum, and mop, and then press play. And then you can do quick or deep clean or automatic. So that's what it looks like using it in HomeKit. So you guys think of the Tapo RV Omni Pro vacuum cleaner? I think it's pretty cool. It's got lots of features, from the dual mop pads to the tangle-free brush to the mapping to the everything in the app that you can do, child lock button, dual lidar sensors, all that jazz. Really fun, feature-packed vacuum, and it starts at $4.99 at launch with the coupon. So that's pretty good, really good deal. You're really getting a bang for your buck for this vacuum. So leave a comment below what you think. Stream Tech Reviews. Shout out to Tapo again for sending this out. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.